Hey guys, in this lecture I will be showing you how to edit your About Us page. Okay, so let's get started. So as I said you, the pages have been created with the Elementor page editor. So if you have got how to edit your home page, then it's very easy to edit your About Us page. So I will be going fast in this tutorial, okay? But before that, let me show you how you can change this photo. So before that, let's go and change this. So if you know that we can go to appearances and theme options, and in the theme options you can see something called as logo, and let's try to change it here. Let's click on this. Let's try to add our logo from the media library. Click on this. So this was for the white, but we want for the black, right? So let's use this, send option tree and just save it. So as you can see, if we refresh, we will be able to see the new logo. Okay, that's it. Now let's try to edit the about us page, which everyone wants to know about your restaurant, right? So before editing, I have added two photos that we will be adding in this page. So let's click on this button and go to styles, or else click on it, edit, and click on it. Maybe we don't have this. Okay, so we have slider image. Let's try to add our image. It may take time depending on the internet speed and the hosting you have. Okay, so the images have been added. Let's try to add this image. So this is done. Now let's try to change the about us. So let's try to change this. So type whatever you have about your restaurant. Let me type something like this restaurant was founded in 1980 and is the best restaurant in Mumbai. Have got many awards in food competitions. So we can add anything that we want and use the basic HTML tags. We can also use the bold tag B and end it here, /B for making it bold, and save it. Okay, also we can add the button like shop now. Sorry, wait, see menu, see our menu, and let's add a link. Okay, no, not that. This will be the link for menu. Okay, I'm using the red buttons, but you can add any type of color that you want. To change the style, you can click on the style and you can change the button here. Okay, so you can change the way you want. For example, you can change the color to green, the text has been changed to green, and background we can add it something like white, and awesome, that's done. Once done, let's go to bottom. Okay, the menu has been changed to red and green. Now you know how to edit this. Click on the page, click on it, media library, add a photo, save it. Wait, we can add the restaurant logo here. It will look more better. Okay, so you know how to edit this, right? So let me remove it. Okay, for this, click on this. Now click on styles. Here we can change the photo and just insert the media. Once it's done, you will be able to see the media. And you know what, we can add components also that I have not showed you. For example, if you want to add a button, you can just add a button. Okay, just add it. Awesome, right? Button has been added, and you can make it like see home page and add the link. Like this is the home page, and it's done, right? Okay, so for the team members, we can add the team members here. Okay, so for example, I have my own photo. Let me try to add that. A place where we will be able to add our team members or the chef or anyone who are working in the restaurant. This is my photo. Let's try to edit it. Okay, so it's done. Samely, you can edit others also. So I'm just going to customize this first photo. Let's make it executive chef to main chef. Sorry, wait. Manager. And my name here. Okay, and we can link the social media icons. Okay, so let's remove. Now you know how to use it. Just add it and update it. Once it's done, we can just go back and refresh the page. Now you can see the About Us page has been changed the way you want. Logo has been added, the button has been added, the team member has been added, and that's it. Thanks for watching. In the next, we will be going to add the Contact Us page.